how to enter referral code on Temu. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to enter referral code on Temu. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your Temu application. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, go ahead and tap on the U option you see there on the bottom center of your screen. You will then see the coupons and offers option. Tap on that and further go ahead and tap on the enter coupon code text box and enter the referral code sent to you. Next, tap on the apply button, and with this, if the referral code that you entered is correct, then your referral code will be redeemed successfully. So, this is how you can enter referral code on Temu. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.